Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about a NVMe enclosure sent over to me by a company named Zike. And this actually is kind of an exciting drive because I've tested many of these and they never quite seem to reach the speeds that they claim to reach. And this one does a very good job. I'm going to talk to you about it over the unboxing, and then I'm going to run some speed tests and show you how those turned out. And right now I'm actually recording directly to this, and it's done a great job for me. I've been using it about 2 weeks now, and I'd like to give you a demo and see what you think. Okay, let's see what we've got. Opening up the box, you'll notice that it's pretty standard packaging. There's nothing overly fancy or overproduced. There's an instruction manual, a good length Thunderbolt cable or USB-4 cable, USB-C, and inside you'll find the enclosure, which is made out of aluminum, but it also has a protective shell on there, which is made of plastic. And what's nice about that is it gives you a smooth surface so you can use some Velcro and mount it on the back of your laptop or something like that if you want to, which is what I do. And there's an extra little cable on the side, so in case you forget your long one, you always have one in a pinch. Inside, you just pop the top off like that. It's a toolless design, so you don't need any tools. And you just pop the SD or the NVMe into the enclosure at an angle and push down, and there's a little offset that pops into the other side and holds it in place. Under the lid, you'll find thermal tape, which is provided to help with your passive cooling. It will help disperse the heat throughout the aluminum while you're transferring large files and things like that. So I've shown you what comes inside the box and how to install the NVMe drive. So here's some real-world speed tests on my MacBook Pro. I'm going to use the Blackmagic Disk Test speed tester and use 5 GB files and let it run a few different times so you can see how consistent it is. You'll notice that read and write speeds are nearly the same, and they're both over 3 GB per second, which is approaching the 40 gigabit speed limitation of Thunderbolt 4 and USB 4. So it's very impressive and very consistent. So what'd you think? I was very impressed with the consistency and the speed. I've been using this drive for pretty much everything over the last couple of weeks, not saving anything to my laptop. I'm pretty much working directly off the drive, and that includes video editing, transferring large files, you name it, and it's performed great. Consistency of throughput has been really good. Drive's given me zero problems, and I just think that anybody that's in the market for a really nice, well-positioned SD enclosure, in particular the NVMe type, this Z666 from Zike is something worth taking a look at. It's very well made and performs extremely well. So I recommend taking a look at it if you're in the market. Thank you.